Hi everyone and welcome to today's video on the top 10 best practices for Flutter programming. In this video, we will explore key practices that can help you write clean, efficient and maintainable code in Flutter. Number 1. Follow the Flutter naming conventions. Consistent and descriptive naming conventions improve code readability and maintainability. Use camel case for classes and variables and avoid abbreviations. For instance, instead of using btn for a button variable, use submit button to convey its purpose clearly. Number 2. Modularize and reuse code. Break your code into small reusable modules to enhance maintainability. Encapsulate related functionalities into separate widgets or classes, promoting code reuse across different parts of your app. Number 3. Utilize stateless widgets. Whenever possible, use stateless widgets over stateful ones. Stateless widgets promote a functional programming approach and make your code easier to reason about and test. Number 4. Optimize widget rebuilding. Minimize widget rebuilding by using const constructors and utilizing the const keyword where appropriate. This reduces unnecessary widget tree traversals and improves app performance. Number 5. Use keys judiciously. Keys help Flutter identify and track individual widgets. Use keys judiciously when dealing with stateful widgets or widget lists to optimize performance and avoid unexpected behavior. Number 6. Efficiently handle state. Choose the appropriate state management approach based on the complexity of your app. Use Flutter's built-in state management solutions like Provider, Riverpod, or Block to effectively handle state and avoid common pitfalls. Number 7. Thoroughly test your code. Testing is crucial to ensure the reliability of your app. Write comprehensive unit, widget, and integration tests to catch bugs early and maintain code quality throughout the development process. Number 8. Optimize app performance. Profile your app using tools like Flutter DevTools to identify performance bottlenecks. Optimize your code, minimize unnecessary rendering, and utilize Flutter's performance-enhancing features such as List View Builder for efficient list rendering. Number 9. Leverage Flutter community packages. Leverage the vast Flutter community by utilizing existing packages for common functionalities. Check Flutter's official pub.dev website to find reliable packages that suit your project requirements. Number 10. Stay up to date with Flutter. Flutter evolves rapidly, introducing new features and enhancements. Stay up to date with the latest Flutter releases, following the official Flutter documentation, and actively participate in the Flutter community to keep your skills sharp. By following these top 10 best practices for Flutter programming, you can write cleaner, more efficient, and maintainable code. Remember to consistently apply these practices throughout your Flutter projects to create high-quality apps. Happy coding!